Good morning. Welcome to Embedded World. This is day 0. As you can see, it's usual chaos which happens on day 0.
Awesome. Rich, why don't you introduce yourself?
That's a great idea.
I think so.
I'm Rich Nass. I'm the Executive Vice President of Open Systems Media.
And I am Ken Briodagh. I'm the Senior Technology Editor at Embedded Computing Design. And this is my very first Embedded World, Rich.
Really?
Yes, I've never been. I'm very excited.
You should be, because this is really a great week. This is probably 15 or so for me. But here in our booth, the Embedded Computing Design booth, which is in Hall 1, booth 500, we got tons of stuff going on here all week.
This week is going to be packed. I mean, the first thing I want to talk about is tonight we're going to be announcing our Best in Show winners that you and I slaved over. Absolutely full coal mine action to judge these.
Absolutely. Well, it was, we had more than 50 entries, so it was very tough to do the judging, without a doubt.
Yeah, absolutely. We should talk about the prizes. If you don't play the game, you can't win a prize. And I think the first one we should talk about is our scavenger hunt.
Sure.
Yeah.
To participate in the scavenger hunt, you come to our booth, again, Hall 1, booth 500, pick up a card that has a bunch of sponsor logos on it. You go to those sponsors and you get a stamp, come back to our booth, and you get a Raspberry Pi board.
So you want to make sure that you get to every single one of the exhibitors on the sheet. They'll give you a little stamp and find out what they're up to, what they're doing, because they're really exciting, cool companies there. So get your Raspberry Pi and learn a little too.
And then if you fill out a survey at our booth, you get a t-shirt. Pretty cool t-shirt.
It's not bad. In fact, it's incredibly
wait
stylish.
a second. Did you fill out the survey?
Of course I did.
Oh, there you go.
Right here.
So, modeling the shirt.
Rich also filled out the survey and would be wearing the shirt, but then you wouldn't be able to tell us apart. So we thought it didn't work that way.
So also in our booth this week, we have some panel sessions. The first panel session is with ARM and Synaptics.
That one's on AI, right?
That one's on AI.
Yeah, that's
Artificial
exciting.
Intelligence. Then we have a panel on security.
Very cool.
Kadelsky and the Trusted Computing Group.
Yep.
And then we have Jason Kridner, who's sort of the grandfather of the Beagle board. He'll be speaking about their new board, the BeagleY-AI board, which is pretty cool.
It's a really neat board. And if you want to read more about Jason, you can check out the newest issue of Embedded Computing Design here. He's our cover model, looking fetching with the BeagleY board right there. And you can get these here on the show floor, either in the magazine racks or here at booth 1500 with Embedded Computing Design.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah.